Can day trading actually make you rich in 2026? That's the question I'm going to be answering in this video. And boy, do I have a story to share with you. I'll just say there's no doubt you can make money with day trading. I've been trading for almost a year now, and I've gotten 4 payouts totaling probably $3,000 to $4,000 Canadian spread out. 2 of those have been semi recently, so I've been on a bit of a streak. So I know you can make money, but I want to make, FU money. I want to quit my job money. And that's kind of where I'm at with it. So I'm just finishing up my morning mom walk right now. We're gonna head back to the house, get ready for work, see what we got on the charts. And yeah, I'll tell you a bit about what we got going on for the day. It's currently Wednesday, April 29th, about 8:15 a.m. And I trade while I'm at work. Right now I'm trading a funded account, a 50K funded account with Alpha Futures. That's the zero account. And I'm also trading an evaluation account, a 50K flex account with Lucid Trading. So my funded account, I've already gotten a couple payouts on it. I'm eligible for another payout in about 2 days. I need $400 more across 2 days to be eligible for that. Max payout of 1,500 USD. And then the evaluation account, I need one more trade for like $1,000. I need $1,000 more on the account to pass that. And that account has a max payout of 2,000 USD. So yeah, in total, I've gotten like 4 payouts so far over my trading journey. I've been trading for just under a year. But yeah, I trade while I'm at work. I wake up in the morning, I check the chart, see what's up. Sometimes I'll enter a position early. I don't place market orders. I place buy stop or buy sell orders. So if price hits my level, I'll be entered in there. And currently I am in a trade, and I'll show you what it is. So this is gold on the 1 hour. Currently I'm in a sell trade, so I'm looking for price to come down here. I trade ICC, which is indication correction continuation. If you're not aware, that's what Trades by Side teaches, and I'll do more in-depth breakdowns later. But yeah, currently I'm in drawdown for about $88. This is my funded account on Alpha Futures, so as you can see, doing not so bad. I have about a 63% win rate. It ranges honestly from like 55 to 75 depending on how I'm trading, but yeah, call it around a 60% win rate. So I just need 2 more trading days to be eligible for that. Monday this week, I did 416 on the funded, and then yesterday I did 216. I believe these were both NASDAQ trades. We're currently behind enemy lines. I'm retarded. I placed the trade on my funded account and eval. Meant to close it on my funded. Accidentally closed it on my eval, which I didn't want to do. So I went back, then closed it on my funded to meet the consistency rule, and then re-entered the trade on my eval so I could pass the eval today. And it looks like we might. And we hit it. Evaluation passed. All right, so now that I'm out of work, I can actually talk at a normal voice about what transpired today. So I took a gold sell trade, and usually first thing in the morning, I'll hop on the chart and kind of see what things are looking like. If I see something, I will enter a stop order, meaning that if price hits my level, whether sell or buy it, I'll be entered in. I usually don't enter market orders. Well, I'm manually trading 2 accounts. I'm not copy trading right now. I have a funded account with Alpha Futures. That's the 50K zero account that I'm trading. And then I was trying to pass the Lucid 50K flex account, which I did pass today. But I'm not copy trading those. So I'm like logging in and out between TradingView, between those accounts, entering, exiting, that sort of thing. So I was in the trades and I was monitoring them at work, right? So to meet consistency rule for my funded, I needed like less than $470. And then to pass my evaluation today, I needed about $1,000. So I was watching one account, one trade. So I thought it was my funded account. It was actually my evaluation account. So when I saw it get to like $400 or so, I exited out of the trade. All right, good morning. It is the next day, April 30th, about 8:30 a.m. I just woke up. I got the day off work today. I just hopped on the charts to see what we got. And it looks like we might have a buy trade on NQ. And yeah, I just need $200 to hit it, and then I will be able to take my payout. Actually, I don't know. I have to check the consistency real quick. Shoot, let me do that quick. You can see I already have my stop buy order placed. I know it's a negative RR, but it's pretty high probability. We have the break above this level here. Price corrected back down, and it looks like we're gonna shoot back up. That's on the 15-minute for the NASDAQ. If we go to the 1 hour, you can see here above this line we have our indication. There's a level over here of buyers pushing price down, so we broke past that, corrected back down. It looks like we're going to pop back up above that. But I do have to check the consistency real quick. So this is the consistency I need. I thought that said $213, and I was going to say, shoot, I need to add more to the trade. Oh, man, I just got popped in, and I'm already down $96. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay. Not great. Not a great start, but actually that's fine. That's to be expected with NQ. I'm not too worried about that. Anyways, we come back down here, and I just need $2.13 for consistency, but it does have to be a $200 trading day. Currently in $354 of drawdown. So my stop loss is at like $524. If it hits it, so be it. Not ideal, and it looks like it probably will hit my stop. What's going through my mind right now? You know, it's unfortunate that it's the trade I need to be eligible for my payout. But to me, it was pretty high probability based on it. I only needed like 20, 30 points, and it looked like price was going to shoot up there. So yeah, if we hit stop loss, that's fine. Then that just means I would need $700 of profit for today or tomorrow or another day to be eligible. So hey, what's up? Good morning again. It's the next day, Tuesday, May 5th, about 8:20 a.m. I gotta head to work, so I start at 8:30. I'm in two trades right now. I'm in a sell trade on gold, and I'm in a buy trade on NQ. Currently, I'm up $10.50 on NQ, and I'm down 170-ish on gold. I'll flip the camera in a second here to show you. Again, I only need like $660 profit to secure this max payout with Alpha Futures. I did not take either of these trades on my Lucid funded account that I have. There's the gold trade, nice $200 drawdown, and then this is the NQ trade. All right, I'm heading home from lunch now. So we lost 300 on the gold trade, but profited like 700, 800 on the NQ trade, which puts me up, but I still need like $200 to be eligible for my payout, like $210, $20, something like that. And honestly, with the mic, like half the time I forget to put the thing on, so the audio is probably all over the place. My bad. But that's just where we're at. Morning or last night, I saw Sai posted a trade that he was in on his Instagram. It was a sell trade. And I was looking at gold. I didn't see the setup. Like, it didn't make sense to me. But I was like, okay, he's in the trade. The positions, the entry will be around the same, so I'll just take it. And then I got in it, and not of course, but like it started moving against me this morning. I had like probably a $500-600 stop loss. I was in like $300 of drawdown. It looked like it was just gonna go to stop loss. So I just closed out early because I didn't even, from the beginning, I was like, I just don't see it. So I went against my better judgment. I'm sure he obviously had his reasons to enter the trade. My entry was pretty similar. I just didn't like the setup, and I saw something I liked better on NQ. So I took the buy on NQ. Again, profited like $750 on the trade, something like that. And lost 300 on the gold trade. And for the first time ever, I have two funded accounts right now. So I have my Alpha Futures one that I'm gonna get my fourth payout on with this one coming up, and I have this new Lucid 50K Flex account. So I'm stoked to get multiple accounts going and get payouts with multiple accounts. One account's been fun, but I see the through line and where I need to be account-wise to get the type of profits I want, right? That sell trade I took yesterday on gold and lost like $300. Sai lost about $3 million on that trade. Something to do with the war in Iran, I believe. So gold prices shot back up. Yeah, but I have my levels marked out for the day. So I'm looking for buys on gold and buys on NASDAQ. So right now, I have the indication, so I'm just gonna wait for a price to retrace back into the previous kind of breakout zone, and then take a continuation back up for gold or NQ. They both look pretty clean, so I have my alerts set. Got back my walk, and both gold and NASDAQ are pulling back. So this is gold, right? We have our indication here, breakout above this black line. Price is now selling back into the area. So if it comes down into here, this is ideal. As long as it doesn't break this low, come down into here, create a higher low, and then shoot back up. So that's what I'm looking for there. And then on NQ, let's see. And then on NQ, it's, you know, pretty similar. We have our breakout here, right? So we have our swing high here, price breaks above that, and now price is falling back in. So if we can get price to come back into the zone and just not break this low here, then that is an A+ setup, because it gets tricky when price doesn't break through and it might not correct all the way down, right? It could stop here. This could be the higher low here. It could stop, come up a bit, and then come back down. The easiest to read is when it comes all the way back down into the zone, not breaking previous lows. And then you can just kind of watch it trace back up. And then you take your entry above this black line, kind of where this breakout is. And we're in the trade. I need $204.69. Come on. And payout secured while at the front desk, helping clients. And close the trade on my other funded account for $565 profit. I'm gonna go home for lunch and have a smoothie. All right, I just got home from work. I'm gonna request the payout. It should be $1,500 USD max payout. After the 90-10 split, that works out to $1,350 USD. And then there's another fee with the payment processor. All said and done, I should be getting $1,800 Canadian to my bank account. It'll be just over $1,800. All right, so before requesting the payout, I decided to go out for a run with my friend Christian here. And it was good, we went fast. Unfortunately, I got lost, literally lost in my hometown backyard, and like ran an extra 5-6 kilometers, just lost. And he was looking for me, he was worried. But luckily he found me, and now I can go home and request the payout and show you guys that process. So thanks, Christian.
No problem.
Yeah, your payout successfully requested. You will be notified within. So the payout was denied. Unfortunately, I had a news trading violation, which I didn't realize I was doing, but lo and behold, I was. So I still get to keep all the profits on the account. My account's not breached. I just have to trade another 5 trading days to be eligible for another payout. They said since it's my first violation, they're not going to breach my account, but if I continue to breach with news trading violations, then they'll breach the account, meaning like just close the account down. So it sucks, but I guess that's kind of on me. Like I didn't go through the rules well enough. You can trade during news, you just can't execute before 2 minutes before the news breaks and then 2 minutes after the news breaks. I'm pretty sure I can trade during the news. I don't know, I'll have to clarify that. And then they suggested maybe I'll go with their advanced plan rather than their zero plan, because there's no news trading restrictions on that. So anyways, I'm seeing the pros of trading live funds where they're not denying your payouts. This is the first time this has happened to me, so I'll take it as like a, medal of honor or stamp of approval that I'm trading and doing well, and payouts get denied, I guess. So that's how we're ending the video. Not quite what I had hoped, but yeah. I'm still just going to keep stacking accounts and get payouts and get super rich. So see you guys soon.